Welcome to iIntelligence Site. Today's topic is how to install Signal, which is equivalent of WhatsApp. Actually, please do not think that Signal is entirely a different company, a competitor to WhatsApp. Real fact is, the WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook in the year 2014. And after WhatsApp being acquired by Facebook, the WhatsApp co-founder Brian Acton, he is the person who founded the Signal Foundation in the US, and he started a new company in the year 2018. After leaving WhatsApp in the year 2017, he started Signal Foundation in the year next year 2018. So he is the person along with one more person. They are responsible for this Signal messenger system, right? And this Signal messenger system is an end-to-end encrypted messenger system where the government or any other agency cannot able to interfere. And the Signal messenger was highly popularized during the George Floyd protest in the US. George Floyd protest means a black man was killed by a white in the US, and worldwide it became a media highlight. And the police in the US started tracking the WhatsApp of the organizers in the US. So in order to overcome that, the organizers and the protesters started using another application equivalent to WhatsApp, and that is the Signal application, that is Signal messenger system. This Signal application uses Java, JavaScript and C language and some other more extra APIs and other things. So this is about Signal, and let us see how to install Signal, right? And as far as Signal is concerned, almost all the features of the WhatsApp are available in Signal. Another thing is that WhatsApp can be tracked, whereas especially government agencies, whereas Signal cannot be tracked, and that is a specialty of Signal as when compared to Facebook's WhatsApp. Right? Thank you, friends. Thank you. Let us see how to install it. Thank you. Dear friends, let us see how to install Signal, which is equivalent of WhatsApp. Just go to Play Store. Type Signal. The name of the messenger service is Signal Private Messenger. Click Install. The messenger is installing. Let us wait for the messenger to install. Just wait. So more than 75% it has installed. Okay, now let us see how to install Signal in desktop. Okay, click Signal. Again click Signal. See, this is the Signal website, signal.org/English EN. As I said earlier, it is an alternative to WhatsApp. It was created by co-founder of WhatsApp. So just click Get Signal. Download for Windows. Signal for desktop. Download for Windows. Okay, let us download it in program file. Just click Save. Right, it is downloading. Just wait for some time. Compared to WhatsApp, the major advantage of using Signal is nobody can track your calls, your messages, your videos, or any video calls. Nobody can track, including the government. So that is a major advantage of using Signal. 1 minute, just wait, let us install. So installation is going on, please wait. This I am setting up as new device. Link your phone to Signal desktop. Just wait. So in that linked devices, you have to allow Signal to take pictures and record video. Just click that. Only then you can able to scan it. I'm scanning it now. Link this device. It's asking link this device. Click OK. Linking the device. Right. Next option is click Finish linking phone. Now it will synchronize the contacts and groups. It is available in my Signal. So you have to install Signal in your mobile first, and then that has to be synchronized with the desktop. You have to go to the settings. The setting, there is an option called linked devices. Right. So let us see how it's synchronizing the contacts and groups. Yes. Now I can send normal messages. Hi. Right. Now this is a process. This is a process how to install Signal in desktop. Okay. Okay, this is a procedure how to install Signal in desktop. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.